In this video, we are going to look at comparative advantage and gains from trade. Okay, so let's start. So we have a table here. We have computers, production of computers and rice. So US is able to produce 5 computers and 40 rice, given its number of workers. uh, Thailand is able to produce 2 computers and 30 bags of rice, given the number of workers they have. So we have 2 questions. So who has comparative advantage in the production of which product, and what is the terms of trade? Okay, so let's start by first drawing our production possibility curve for each country. So let's do that. Okay, so let's plot the PPF for the United States. Let's put computers on the y-axis, and let's put rice on the x-axis. All right, so the US, given its resources or its workers, is able to produce 5 computers and 40 bags of rice. Okay, so let's join the 2 points. All right, so this is the production possibility frontier for US. Okay, let's do the same for Thailand. It produces 2 computers and 30 bags of rice. Okay, okay, so 2 computers and 30 bags of rice. Okay, let's join. Okay, that's now this is Thailand's PPF. Okay, all right. So to be able to find who has a comparative advantage, we need to be able to calculate the opportunity cost. Okay, so let's do that. So first, let's calculate the opportunity cost for the United States. Okay, so let's just call opportunity cost OP. So for the US, what is the opportunity cost of producing rice? Okay, so this is going to be, so basically how much computers does it cost the United States to produce rice? Usually if you are calculating opportunity cost, if you're calculating opportunity cost for rice, we will put rice, the number of rice in the denominator. Okay, so how many computers does America produce? Produces 5 per 40 rice. So if you calculate that, you get 0.125 computers. Now, what does this mean? This means that per each one bag of rice that the United States produces is costed 0.125 computers. Okay, so what is the opportunity cost for producing computers for the United States? So again, don't forget, whatever we calculate in goes in the denominator. Okay, so computers 5, rice 40. Now, the opportunity cost of producing computers is 8 bags of rice. All right, so this is for the United States. We need to do the same for Thailand. Okay, so let's calculate the opportunity cost of rice for Thailand. We should just put T for Thailand. Okay, so again, we put rice in the denominator, so 30. Okay, so you do this calculation, you get 0.07 computers. Okay, so this means that each bag of rice costs Thailand 0.0267 computers. Okay, so what is the opportunity cost of producing computers for Thailand? Okay, so that is basically the inverse. Okay, so if you want the opportunity cost for the other one, you can just take the inverse of this, but you see, let's do the calculation. So again, computers go in the denominator, which is 2 per 30. Okay, so this is just the inverse of that. All right, so if you do that calculation, you get 15 rice, meaning each computer costs Thailand 15 packs of rice. Now, with the information we have, we saw that for rice, the cost of rice to Thailand is 0.07 computers. For America, it costs America 0.125 computers. So, who is able to produce computers cheaply? Yeah, who is able to produce rice cheaply? That is Thailand, because it costs America 0.1265. It costs Thailand 0.067. Okay, so we say that Thailand has a comparative advantage in the production of rice. Okay, let's look at the cost of computers. It costs Thailand 15 bags of rice to produce a computer. It costs the United States 8 bags of rice to produce a computer. So the cost of producing a computer is cheaper for the United States than Thailand. So we say that the US has a comparative advantage in the production of computer. That means that America should specialize in the production of computers. Thailand should specialize in the production of rice. Okay, so now we solved the first question. The second question asks us for the terms of trade. Okay, so we solved that. So what is the terms of trade? The terms of trade basically means that at what price will the United States and Thailand trade? Okay, so we've already determined that US should produce computers and Thailand should produce rice. Now, if each of them specializes in the production of the goods that they have the least cost of production, so Thailand produces rice, US produces computers, what will be the price at which Thailand will sell rice to the United States, and what will be the price at which US will sell will sell computers to Thailand? Okay, so now in order to answer that question, let's look at what was the opportunity cost of rice. Okay, so for rice, the opportunity cost for Thailand was this was 0.067. The opportunity cost for rice for the US was 0.125. Okay, so meaning if they are going to trade, we know that Thailand is specializing in rice. If they are going to trade, the price that they will sell, the export price, is going to be between 0.67 and 0.125. Thailand will, the cost of Thailand to produce rice is 0.67 computers. America is going to produce it at 0.125. America is never going to buy a, the bag of rice from Thailand for a price more than 0.125. Okay, if Thailand decides to sell for more than 0.125, it's profitable for America to produce rice itself because the cost of America producing it is 0.125. It's never going to buy it for a price which is more than this. This is how much it costs Thailand to produce. Thailand is not going to sell a bag of rice at a price which is lower than 0.027. Okay, so the terms of trade for rice is going to be between 0.067 and 0.125. Right, so how about computers? What was the opportunity cost of computers for Thailand? For Thailand, it's was costing it 15 bags of rice. What was the opportunity cost of computers for the US? For the US, it was costing it 8 bags of rice. So again, America is specializing in the production of computers. If it produces computers at 8 bags of rice, Thailand is not going to buy computers at more than 15. Okay, so the price or the exchange price or the trade price at which they would trade is going to lie between 8 and 15. Okay, America produces at 8 bags of rice, it's never going to sell it below 8. Thailand, if it were producing it, it's costed 15, it's never going to buy it at any price above 15. So the terms of trade is going to lie between 8 and 15. Okay, so that will be the price range for computers. All right, so this is how you solve for comparative advantage and gains of trade and gains from trade. If you like this video, uh, please like and subscribe.